I know you've been hearing crypto arbitrage trading and you don't know what it actually means. Crypto arbitrage trading is buying assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and selling them at a higher price in a decentralized platform. And that's what we want to do today. So we've bought 859 in Binance and we want to sell them in Ranquilly for for us to make profits. So you can see we have 835 USDTs and today we were just withdrawing. You can see it was only P2P that we were doing, that is selling now to our local currency after making some profits, and that is actually done via P2P. You can sell your assets here. So we funded our Anquili. This is where you get your arbitrage opportunities, and we won't be receiving in our internal wallet, external wallet, but internal wallet. So from tomorrow, make sure you watch all the videos because we'll be making crypto arbitrage trading, receiving in our Binance wallet, and also receiving in our external wallet. So I'll be making 2 videos daily, of which you shouldn't miss if you want to be a serious crypto arbitrage trader. So after depositing to your Ranquilly account, you will unlock your arbitrage opportunities. You just come and click on P2P arbitrage, then here you are selling. So remember I said you can sell BTC, you can sell Ethereum, you can sell BNB, you can sell Solana, you can sell XRP. It depends with the cryptocurrency you want to trade. So mine, I'll be trading USDT, of which I've bought in Binance, funded my Ranquilly, and I will be selling it here. So I'll just come and enter amount, that is 1000 USDTs, or today we can do something special because we've made a lot of withdrawals. We want to recover. So I'll do 3000 USDTs. You can see the expected profit is 570, which I'll be paid 3570. So 570 is my profit. You should be asking yourself, how do these people make this profit? This is trading cryptocurrency and fiat, but the reason we need Ranquilly, it acts as a broker for it to convert the fiat for you to a cryptocurrency, but with a fee. So it doesn't convert for free. So this one, you can see the P2P fee here is 71.40. Let me 0.40. Let me circle it. So you could have been paid 3,570 if it was P2P only. But if you add arbitrage, that means Ranquilly comes in and it will charge you. So it is fiat and cryptocurrency. So I know you've been asking yourself, how do these people make money? It is like buying something in a what? How do we call this? In a wholesale, then you go and sell it in your local market. So that means you'll sell it at a profit. So that's how crypto arbitrage trading works. So I'll be receiving in my internal wallet and I'll paste my Ranquilly address. How do you get this address? Just go to deposit. Then you don't actually do an actual deposit, but you tend to deposit where you'll enter any amount, let's say 30 USDTs. You just copy the address. Then that's what will you will come and paste it here. So I'll review and check. You can see I'll receive 3,498 after P2P fee of 70 something. So my profit here will be 498 because my capital is 3,000. So the higher the capital, the more the profits. That's what I can tell you. So after that, also I wanted to talk about escrow protection. Remember, this account is escrow protected. So there is no way your funds can get lost. If the trade doesn't go through, you just come and dispute. So let me confirm and show you how you can do that. If you don't get the payment, that is the email, but you have to release first for your funds to come here, because that's how escrow works, and you have to work within that 30 minutes. So you just come and dispute, and also you can chat the the buyer and remind him that please please pay. You see, and you check also if he's online and everything. If he's verified, you can see almost done. So the merchant is online. So that's how you make profits with crypto arbitrage trading. So you shouldn't miss anything in trading. This is easy, 498 USDTs, which you can work for a month to get this one. So make sure you are updated, make sure you watch my videos, you like and you follow me. I have free classes in Telegram. Also, if you chat me on WhatsApp, you'll get free access to my classes. So let's meet for another video and another